You might love to plan or you might really hate it, but either way, it's a fact that having a plan, knowing what steps to take and in what order and when is going to help you to reach your goal faster and much more easily. And when it comes to building your business online, you want to get up and running quickly so that you can start bringing in clients and paying yourself. Hi there, I'm Alli McCauley, and I help entrepreneurs elevate their brand and online presence so that they can connect with their audience quickly and confidently and make more money online. I've seen so many entrepreneurs stuck and struggling simply because they don't have the guidance on what they should be doing next. For example, have you ever gotten your kids on the bus, cleaned up breakfast, and then finally sit down to work and find yourself staring at a blank screen? You don't know where to start and you're totally overwhelmed. And then what ends up happening is you waste that little bit of time that you actually had to get things done in the first place. This leads me to the first reason why having a plan is crucial to the success of being able to make money online, and that's because it will help you to avoid overwhelm. When you have everything under the sun to do and it's staring you in the face, it stops you dead in your tracks. But when you're able to prioritize your tasks and break the larger tasks down into smaller ones and dedicate time to get each one of those tasks done, that large to-do list becomes much more manageable. That overwhelming feeling is reduced because you've created space for each task, and now you can focus on one thing at a time. Not only that, but you become more committed and dedicated and motivated to keep going because there is some serious satisfaction that comes along with checking off tasks. And don't think I don't know that you're adding to your to-do list just so you can check off a task. I know you're doing that. We all do. And when you see yourself making progress toward your goal, you're going to be much more likely to want to keep progressing. You're also going to save yourself a ton of time because when you have a plan and you know what to work on each time you sit down to work, you're not going to waste all that time sitting and staring at a blank screen wondering what you should be working on and what to do next. Instead, you're going to know exactly what task you need to get done that day and be productive and get it done. The fourth reason that it's critical to have a plan is that you can eliminate wearing yourself out completely by the time your kids get back home and off that bus by making fewer decisions. Because as you're making decision after decision during the day, the more and more fatigue you're going to experience. So when you have a plan and you know what you're going to work on, that's going to help you reduce the number of decisions you have to make each day. This is going to help you reserve energy for all the other things that you have to do in life. Number 5 is a good one. Planning out your tasks even helps to encourage creativity. When you think about it, it completely makes sense. When you don't have to be constantly figuring out what to do and when to do it, you free up the mental space to brainstorm and think freely. This is an enormous part of running a successful business online because it does take creative thinking and thinking outside the box, especially if you want to stand out amongst your competitors. And finally, you'll have peace of mind. There is something to be said about knowing your next right step and feeling absolutely confident that the tasks you're working on are the right ones that are going to help you progress to your ultimate goal. When you're clear that the tasks that you're working on are what you need to be working on, you can more easily relax knowing that you're headed in the right direction. This is exactly why I created my 30 Days to Launch playbook. Inside the playbook, I share my exact step-by-step system to simply and strategically getting your business online in just 1 month so that you can begin making money quickly. You'll get a solid action plan to get your business set up, write your copy, and create your brand and website in 30 daily tasks. Knowing what steps to take and in what order and having a checkable calendar of daily prompts to get you to the finish line is going to put an end to the overwhelm so that you can launch your business. And it's free, so head over to free30daylaunch.com to get it. The link is also in the description box below, and if you have any questions at all, please put them in the comments. And if you're wondering, but can I really design my own brand and website? Yes, you can, and I want you to go watch the video that's on the screen right now.